Starting my baking for a Christmas party, I have got a half a cup of honey, a half a cup of coconut sugar, and about 11 tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to put 3.5 cups of pecans and then make some pecan squares. I'll also be adding 3 tablespoons of cream to this as well. And I already made a shortbread, so basically it was just gluten-free flour and some butter. In fact, 1 cup of butter. And then also, let's get another half of here. And then for the shortbread, I just did it in the Cuisinart, so it was really easy, and baked it for about 20 minutes. And it has a beautiful gold crust to it, and then let it cool down. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the 3 tablespoons of cream. This is organic whipping cream. So this isn't keto, but it's paleo friendly. So when you have the holidays, you splurge a little bit more, but mostly during the holidays, you know, when I know that I'm going to be going to a holiday party, half a cup, and let's put the rest of that in there. I only eat 1 meal, and then I have a shake. So that way, you know, I feel really good. I don't overextend myself in regards of digestion, and it seems to work out just beautifully. So all you want to do is just coat these nicely, and then you don't need to cook them or anything. You just want to coat these little pecans here, and then I'm going to put it inside the shortbread. I'm going to bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. It'll just firm up nicely. These are delicious. They're like a pecan pie, but this will go great for, I'm gonna have an appetizer, salad bar, and dessert party. So have some fun, dance, have a good time, not eat too much so everybody falls asleep after they eat a meal. So there we go. Put it in the oven for about 350. Okay, 350 at 20 minutes, and I'll have some beautiful pecan squares. So here's the final product of my pecan squares. They're absolutely phenomenal, chewy. I'm just gonna freeze them, and they will thaw out beautifully just as they were right out of the oven for my holiday party. So this might be a good idea for you guys to start baking now and have gluten-free desserts ready for your guests so that you can have a wonderful holiday season. Have a great day.